Welcome back again for another episode. I'm going to talk about and show you basically what's going on with the bike. Those of you that know, I crashed out at Oulton a few weeks back. I've actually not touched the bike since, really. I've took a couple of bits off and checked over a few bits, but I've just been getting all my parts together more than anything. So this episode I'm going to be showing you the damage and then repairing it all. What I'm going to do now is show you around the bike. So obviously when I crashed at some point it was really like nose heavy. Managed to snap just about everything that was at the front here. So on my front stay bracket, this is what it looks like. It's snapped off. I don't know if this is common, if that's like the weaker area or what. So that was on there, holding on to the thingy brackets, and that like snapped off straight away. So, but yeah, so it's not this. Forks are all in good nick. The only thing down here is the actual crash protection, because these things are absolutely worth their weight in gold. Get it on, otherwise, you know, this could have been way worse. So, airbox and all that's down there. Screens, everything was fine. Smashed up the screen, smashed up the fairings, and then smashed up that front stay bracket. So this left hand side took all the damage pretty much. There wasn't any damage to the right hand side. So this is the side that the clip-on broke. This is the side where the bolt down here, the bit of plastic down here broke, and obviously the actual crash damage, crash protection itself took all the load from the road. Yeah, which is doing an absolutely gleaming job as well. So worth their weight in gold. I'll be replacing that in due time. That's got loads of life left of it. And then down here, the engine case. Yeah, took a bit of gravel, and but it's all right. It's not too bad. It'll do the job for now until I can get some covers for it. And then here, this must have got squished or something, because you can see down here it's proper thin now. But yeah, gonna get that replaced. And then down here, this is one of the brackets from where the sprocket cover holds in the actual. It holds in the fairing just in here, and one of the bolts screws into here. So yeah, that got ripped out. I've got a brand new one, so we'll get that replaced. You got this peg. Okay, the peg took a little bit of the damage here, and these bolts came loose a little bit, but I've took them all off, tidied them all up. Tighten them back up again, and you can see how they are. So yeah, here you are at the back, the rear spindle thingy. That's just took a bit of a beating. You can see it a bit better here. Took a bit of a beating, but it's alright. And other than that, and there's a bit of damage on the tank. So this was wrapped, and it's somehow took all the damage pretty much. So there's no scratches, it's just a weird looking dent. And it's cracked this little bit here, but all of it's going to get replaced in time. Okay, so showing you the damage on the bike. I've now got all the pieces right in front of me. The bits that I've basically bought to replace all the damaged parts. So I've got the sprocket cover there. As you can see, it's got the bolt in it. That's what I got ripped out. New STP race products clip-ons. I don't know if they're any good, but it costs enough. So got them in a deal with the Pro Grip grips. I'll be sticking them on. Like I said, new Chinese chocolate levers. Next time they break, next time I fall off, they'll probably just snap straight away, but they were cheap enough to replace, so it's not a problem. And then I've got a brand new stay bracket. Well, I say brand new, it's brand new for me. New stay bracket, ready to get thrown on. And on top of them, I've got brand new fairings all around. Brand new seat, brand new, yeah, front up, lowers. So there. Yeah, it is black, but I'll be respraying it at some point. So I said it in a previous video, I'm not going to show you, but you'll see the colour change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this bolt here and here to take this stabilizer off, and then I'm going to loosen off the pinch bolts either side of here of the yoke, pull off the yoke, and then I'm basically going to take all this off, and then swap out the clip-ons first thing. loose now. I took off the bracket for the brake lever, and the throttle tube is completely loose now, so it's just about ready to come off. I've also loosened off the actual clip-on itself. Try not to move it because I don't want to scratch the fork itself, but it's all ready to come off. The only thing I can't get undone is this one, because I've only got a small toolbox. I don't have a socket big enough to undo this center bolt, or loosen it off or whatever. So whilst I'm waiting for some tools to tip up, I'm gonna change out the sprocket, because yeah, you can see that hole where it got ripped out. Yeah, I've got a new one. I could have just glued it back in, because I still actually have the bolt, but what I'm gonna do is just replace that and I'll get that done. Nice and easy, get that one done. One done. Okay, so this is where we're at now. So I've replaced the sprocket cover, nice and easy. I've now got halfway through changing the clip-ons. So I've undone the pinch bolts either side, and I can't undo the stem nut. It's a 36 millimeter. I've only got a 32, and it's popped down to Halford to get one of them. I don't have a car at the moment, so that's gonna have to wait. I've got no way of getting there, so not a problem. Work around it. I think I'm gonna start. I'll change over what I can now, so I'm gonna change over the levers once I can. Lube those up, get those put on, and then I might put this on, the stem bracket mount on, but I've got a feeling it's going to get in the way when it comes to actually changing the things over. So I want a little bit more room, so I might just leave it off. But that's where we're at for now, until I can get that stem mount bolt. There's nothing I can do. So wait for the wife to get back, jump in the car, fuck off to Halfords. So last time you saw me, I just put the front stay bracket on, and then I've put on the fairings all the way around, because we've all put fairings on before. There's no point looking at it. I've only got one last thing to do now, and that's to put the grips back on. I say back on. I need to put the new grips back on, the Pro Fiber ones. Pro Grip, not Pro Fiber. Put the new grips on, and then have a look at setting up the handlebars properly. I need to get on the bike and do that, really. But yeah, but this is what it looks like now anyway. Finished product, pretty much. There you go. Whoa. Not bad at all. That was obviously the good side. Let's bring it around. And that was the side that was crashed. I've obviously replaced all the broken bits, but yeah, we're done. We're pretty much back in now. Could take that to the track and ride it quite happily. But yeah, this is what it looks like. All the parts fitted now. That's it. But yeah, see, that's the bike all fixed up now. I've not really much else to do with it that makes a difference that you're going to notice. Yeah, just the grips. That's it. So cheers for watching the video. Again, like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to us. Again, I said before, it means a lot to us. As soon as we get a subscriber, yeah, we're buzzing, always buzzing. So yeah, so she's back together again. Gonna get back on the track next year. Yeah, and you see all the plans that are coming up. So I'm gonna show you everything. So yeah, thanks for watching.